How to request refund on your PlayStation Store games. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually go ahead and request a refund. So make sure to watch the video till the end. There are only 3 PlayStation Store content types that are eligible for refunds: games and add-ins, subscriptions, and pre-orders. That means in general, PlayStation gives you 14 days from the date of purchase to request your refund, but there are some caveats. Full-game purchases, in-game consumables, season passes, and any downloadable content qualify under the games and add-ins refund policy. If you've already started to download or stream the game or add-in, you're ineligible for a refund. Unless the game content proves to be faulty, you can work out whether you're eligible with a live PS Store agent. In order to request a PlayStation Store refund, sign into your PlayStation account, or if you don't have one, register. Then launch the chat box and wait for the bot to initiate a series of questions that help start the refund process. I will leave the link in the description box to launch the chat box, so you can go ahead and check that out and use this kind of interface. Now over here, what you have to do is just select the option that says refund request, and now as of December 2020, the chat bot will prompt you about whether your refund pertains to Cyberpunk 2077 rules. So you can see the section after this video for more information on how to request a Cyberpunk 2077 refund. Now just select refund request, and what you have to do is just choose the option called I am ready to begin the refund process. And as you do so, right over here you can see I'm ready button, and when prompted about whether you are the account holder, just click the button that says yes I am. Now the payment source owner must be on hand. Either retrieve them to continue the refund process or make a note of his support ID and return to the chat when they're ready. And you simply need to select the payment type when used and when the purchase was actually made, and you also want to select why you are requesting a refund, and you will now be asked if the purchased items have been used or downloaded. If your response is a yes, a refund is not possible as it interferes with Sony's cancellation policy. If that's not the case, you'll be asked whether this is the first time requesting a refund, followed by a question about why you asked for the previous refunds. The final prompt will ask how long has it been since the purchase date, and you can simply fill in the provided blank as you can see over here. If you don't remember your purchase date, you can find it in your account transaction history. You'll be supplied with the support ID and then given the connection to connect to a live agent. And that's all it takes to get a refund on PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.